Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. Wish you all a very happy and a bright good morning. In this video, I'd like to share with you a very healthy and a power-packed breakfast recipe to kickstart your day. So for this, I'm using the old-fashioned oats, not the instant oats. It's best to use the old-fashioned oats so it doesn't become mushy. So let's get started off with this recipe. I thoroughly enjoyed eating my tasty overnight oatmeal breakfast. Do try this yummy recipe and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.